All right, welcome back to LearnWire. I'm really excited to share this with you today. You guys know I don't normally make videos on Saturday. It is Saturday morning, January 6th. It's around 8 in the morning. I'm going to get this right out to you guys after I'm done recording it. But like I said, I don't normally do Saturday videos, but a product did come out by Dave Espinoza right over here. And you can see it's already made 500 sales and it's got a 20% conversion rate. I want to share this with you. And just right off the bat, I'll share with you that this isn't one of those things where it's like a strategy that's being taught that it's going to be saturated, right? Like, so if this guy was teaching you to, go and pick the very specific niche and use Canva to create products and then sell them on Etsy, right? Like it would only, if there was 500 sales, then good luck making sales on Etsy in that particular niche, right? So that's why I don't really like products like that are very, very specific. But what he's teaching here is a strategy that is working for him. And this is a guy that has been around for over 20 years doing online marketing. He doesn't create products really on Warrior Plus or anything like that. This is a picture with him with none other than Russell Brunson, the creator and founder of ClickFunnels, known as one of the most talented marketers in the world. And this is Dave Espino that has created this product called 7-Figure Sales Machine. Okay. So I just wanted to show that like he has a reputation and so forth. And I've already gone through the entire training right over here. And it's really good because it's right up my alley. It has everything to do with YouTube and traffic and a very, very unique thing that you can do with YouTube and getting that free traffic, and something that I've just started doing about a month ago. And it is working really, really well. And so I'm going to focus on, I spent the last 2 hours putting together a custom bonus package for you that's only going to be available if you purchase this product right here. And just to kind of help out, you guys know I don't promote anybody's products, especially on Warrior Plus or something like that, if they don't have a good reputation and good ratings. This guy's been marketing since 1999, and he has a over 4.24 star rating on Warrior Plus. And you're welcome to go check out the sales page, but this is going to be the combination of what's made him millions of dollars and then using YouTube and free traffic in order to do it. The product is $12.95. So, I mean, I've spent more money at fast food restaurants on myself than that. So it's very, very affordable to get in and get the proper training that you need in order to make this work. This is a real business strategy that is just really, really cool about building subscribers, building an email list, and building if you want to do a newsletter and profiting off that. So it's using the combination of free traffic and YouTube and then building a business with that. So you guys know that I'm all about YouTube, and that's how I make most of my money. So I wanted to go over bonuses. These are like ridiculous bonuses that are worth more than the product itself. And I can guarantee that the time and effort I put into my bonuses today are worth way more than $13 right off the bat. And just to show you the value that I have on bonuses, I have people just 2 hours ago, we have Talk Chow or Chew is asking me, "Hey Dave, do you sell your bonuses? I already bought this, but not from me." So he wants my bonuses. I like the Amazon MKT Chat GPT bonus one. So the answer is no, I don't sell my bonuses. The only way you can get my bonuses is if you purchase the product that I'm promoting with that. I don't do this a whole lot on this channel, LearnWire. You guys know that, but this product is too good to pass up. I had to share it with you guys. But just to answer your question, I don't sell my bonuses. The bonuses are specifically created in order to bring very high value to you if I decide to promote a product. And so what I'm going to share with you is my bonuses, and that's what we're going to be spending the most time on. Now, just to show you that, I kind of know what I'm talking about. I just created this brand new channel back November 7th, 2023. It has not even been 2 months We put 18 videos on it. I have almost 9,000 views and 223 subscribers. This channel hasn't even been around long enough to even have stats about it from month over month, right? But look, we're getting subscribers every single day. We're getting views every single day. And this is what I teach. And that's why I know that what you learn in the 7-figure sales machine will definitely work. I'm building email lists and so forth I don't have an email list, and I don't have subscribers on LearnWire. And I've had a lot of you reach out and ask me why I don't have a newsletter. Why don't I do an email list and so forth? But I do that on other channels. There's a reason why I don't do it on LearnWire. But I want to go over the bonuses because these bonuses are some of the best bonuses I put together in over 12 months. And over the last year, this is probably the best custom bonus package that I've offered in over a year, period. So if you pick up the 7-figure sales machine, if you're interested in building an email list and building a YouTube channel, you don't have to be on camera. They can be faceless YouTube channels. That's what I prefer, actually. And how you can actually build a following and have more control over it as far as you kind of steamrolling every time you come out with a video, how you can get more views on those videos and then just kind of building power into your marketing efforts and your YouTube efforts. Then 7-figure sales machine is for you, right? So this might not be for everybody. If you are an introvert and you are only working on websites, then this product isn't for you. And that's something different that you'll get from me as well. I'm going to shoot you straight and be honest with you. This isn't going to be for everybody watching this video on LearnWire for sure. I know that my mass audience is mostly SEO people and niche website people. But I wanted to share this with you guys because I know some of you do YouTube, and I wanted to get this out to you guys, okay? So 7-figure sales machine, this is my bonus package right here. And right here, I just got done finishing this video, and this is a custom video training, and it is how to set everything up because there's some things that are missing. It's probably an hour and a half training in the 7-figure sales machine. But there's some bits and pieces. It's a front end offer. You guys know how it works. There's some things that are missing. I'm offering some really insane advice and what I would do with this training and how to get started. And you're going to see the bonuses below. I'm going to walk you through how to use my custom GPT bonuses. And I show you proof that I use them, how I've made sales with them, how I send out emails using my GPTs. I've been using GPTs ever since I learned about it about a month ago, a little more than a month ago, ever since I think it was Quantum AI came out. I've been using GPTs ever since, and they've really been helping me with up my game with using ChatGPT and just speed up my business. So I'm going to show you how to use all the bonuses below. I'm going to go over real quick. And then how to grow your YouTube channel fast. I've got some secrets, some niche ninja stealth secrets right here that you don't want to miss. And look at this. This thumbnail right here. This is specific to 7-figure sales machine. This video right here is 30 minutes long. I just recorded this. It's a 30-minute video, right? I could create an entire product and sell that, but you're getting that for free just for picking up a less than $13 product that could potentially be a game changer for you. Okay. And I know that just sounds like I'm selling. Maybe I am, right? But I really stand by the products that I put out, the products that I promote, and the bonuses that I created. You can be rest assured that these bonuses are of the highest quality you're possibly going to get. I'm really happy with this one. So I just got done uploading that one. It's a 30-minute training. Super, super cool. Don't want to miss that. Okay. But then what do you get? The bonus number 2, you're getting this custom GPT. It's called Video Trending Topics Tool. And this is created by me, David L. Mills. It's funny, when I created this, it was using my billing. And so it pulled my middle initial, and then I went and I actually tried to change that and so forth, but it doesn't seem to make a difference. It doesn't change that. So needless to say, everybody knows that my middle initial is an L, but this is me, David Mills. I created this one. Super cool. Because what you're going to need to do with this strategy is you're going to need to be putting out viral topic ideas for the niche that you get into. And this right over here, this video walks you through exactly how to use all these GPTs, and then not only how to use them. These aren't just tools that I created, right? Here's one concise video promoter, but let's go into the Video Trending Topics tool. This isn't just GPTs that I created for fun and just to create for bonuses. Every single one of these bonuses I already was using. These are already GPTs that I created over the last month that I've been using in my business. You can see every time I use them, they're in here. I actually use them on a daily basis, and I go over exactly how I'm using them and how they're effective and working. So that is the difference between like creating a ChatGPT training, like, hey, use ChatGPT and it'll change your life and your business. But what I'm teaching is the practical, realistic ways to use ChatGPT that actually have driven sales for me from an email marketing standpoint, from a YouTube standpoint, and so forth. So that is where ChatGPT really is powerful, when you actually use it in your business to move your business in the right direction and actually drive sales. And these GPTs that I'm giving away as bonuses, I created, and they were actually personal. When I go in here to edit, they were actually all personal links. I had no intention on giving these away as bonuses or selling these GPTs or anything like that. I was only using them in my business for myself. And that's why this is the best bonus that I've put together in a very long time, because I'm giving away these very specific GPTs that I've been using daily in my business. Okay. And then we have over this one. This one is super cool. 10-day email sequence. Super, super cool. I'll just show you one of those right over here. If I come over here, this is one that I just created. You can see here's the 10-day. I said what the niche is right here and told them what I wanted, and then welcome day email 1. And then notice how every email is concise and to the point and ends perfectly. Every single email gives a nice subject, and boom, you can use this for any niche. And it's a 10-day email sequence, and that goes along with what they're teaching in this program as well. You're going to need to nurture your email list when they sign up. And so I've got a tool that will do all that for you. All you have to do is just plug and play into your favorite email marketing automation software, and you're good to go. So this one's super cool, and I've used it, and I'm using it in my business right now. And it's actually Marketing Expert crafting 10-day email sequences in the style of Russell Brunson. Russell Brunson, if you guys don't know him, he's the creator of ClickFunnels, one of the best marketing softwares in the last 10 years that has been created. This guy knows what he's doing with marketing. And then the other GPT that you get right over here is this concise video promo writer. I create 100 word emails for YouTube videos, and it's super, super cool. I can go and grab a video. Let's just say, here's one of my channels, AI Content Creation, guys. I'm going to be working on this channel a lot. So if you guys want to go and check this out, super, super cool. How many videos do I have up right now for this? It's literally like 20 videos, right? And I already have 300 subscribers. But what we're going to be doing is, let's just say I have this one right over here, Smart Slides, for example. Let's just say I have this right over here. I'm going to go ahead and grab this title. I'm just going to show you how this works. And then we go over to the ChatGPT right over here. And then let's just say I want to use my concise video promoter. This is 110% goes along with what they're teaching in 7-figure sales as well. And to believe it or not, I've actually been doing this before this product even came out. I've been doing this over the last month, and I can show proof that I've sent out emails using this tool right here, promoting so all I have to do is just plug this in, right? That's my title of my video, and push enter. And then look at my GPT is custom coded, ready to go. It's going to give me some subject lines right over here. It's going to give me 4 subject lines right here, and then it's going to concisely promote the video and what I'm talking about. And then it's going to end with what I have right over here. And right over here, I'm actually going to have to go and change that so it doesn't say David, but you can actually just change this. You'll just change this part right here, the David and LearnWire. You'll just change that, right, to your name. And then you have a nice promotion that you're not promoting a product. You're only promoting your video. So it's super, super powerful. So that is the other bonus that you get. So you're going to get 3 custom GPTs that I created, and they were already created. And I switched them to only people that have the link, and I can share these with you, and you can use them in your business to help drive more traffic and sales to your business. And then also the 30-minute video right here of my opinion of the training, how to take it to the next level, and what I've been doing that's very closely related to the 7-figure sales machine, and how you can grow your YouTube channels just like I did right over here on this brand new Canva channel right over here that I created less than 2 months ago. And this is results. We're closing in on 10,000 views, over 200. People say that the first 100 subscribers is the hardest. It is. And then it starts right now. I haven't even put a video out in 17 days. And the channel is growing. If I go into that channel real quick for you guys, I'm going to show you how it's actually growing. We can come over here and I can go over to channel audit, and you'll see 40% more subscribers. The first month I got 93 subscribers. The second month I got 130 subscribers. Minutes watched went from 4,000 minutes watched to 8,000 minutes watched. It just keeps growing, right? Views are just a tad down because I haven't put a video out in 17 days. But check that out. Brand new channel. This stuff works. It's time to make 2024 the year that you take massive action, and it can start with a business model like the 7-figure sales machine for less than $13. Go pick up my bonuses right over here and get to work. I want to see any of you that have the desire to build a YouTube channel and a real business. I want this to be the year that you took massive action and you can look back and be proud of what you did, and that you can start putting money in your pocket. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thanks so much. The link will be below. You'll just click it. It'll come to this page right here. And if you click any of these buttons right over here and go purchase the product, you get instant access to all of these bonuses. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.